he felt that meron kayong feelings, dalawa kayo.
Oo.
So, meron kayong feelings sa kanya.
So, ibig sabihin ba nito, parang namamangka siya sa dalawang ilog during that time that he is courting the other girl at the same time, parang, o biglang na-develop lang yung feelings niya sa'yo?
Just two friends having a real talk and in-depth conversation on random topics of life, relationships, finances, and advice. Hi everyone! Hi mga ka-jinglers! Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Beldy.
And I'm Wendy, and today's episode is something powerful, something inspiring.
Yes, our topic is Against All Odds. Very exciting topic, Wendy.
Exactly, Beldy. Yung mga pagkakataon na parang lahat na nagsasabing hindi kaya pero ginawa pa rin.
And to talk about this, we have a special guest with us today. Please welcome Alex. Kamusta, Alex?
Hi, Beldy. Hi, Wendy. Thank you for having me. I'm excited pero medyo kinakabahan.
Don't worry, Alex, because safe space ka dito with us.
That's right, twins. So, when you hear the phrase against all odds, Alex, what comes to your mind?
For me, it means choosing to keep going kahit parang imposible na. Yung tipong kulang ka sa support, resources, or confidence, but you try anyway.
Wow, that's really powerful. Am I right, Beldy?
Very powerful.
Aha, pero may specific experience ka ba na masasabi mo, Alex, na, I've been through against all odds?
Yes, actually, there was a time when I wanted to pursue something, especially my husband today. Pero a lot of people doubted me.
Actually, meron tayong twist kasi, hindi namin in-expect yung you want to pursue your husband. Pero I really like that. What do you think about that, Wendy?
Yung love life niya talaga yung pinursu niya, right? So, habulan! No, just kidding.
Yes, and Alex, you sound so happy na yung dream mo na
Natupad ang pangarap niya na dream guy.
someone to forever.
Yes, they said I wasn't ready that time, pero practical na dapat safe path lang ang piliin ko.
Ang hirap nun. Ang hirap. Paano? Ano nung nangyari sa love story mo? Tell us about it. We're very curious actually, and I'm sure like our ka-jinglers there also really want to know how you pursue your husband. Pursue talaga.
Actually, sabi nga nila, hindi talaga nawawala yung tinatawag na love triangle. Diba?
Love triangle.
Oo.
Ow! Ow!
Actually, sabi nila ako yung tulay na lumakbay sa tulay.
I'm really,
Sabi nila yun.
oh my gosh, I really
Great,
love our
great.
topic now. You know, we are so happy.
Pero hindi totoo yan.
Paano mo nilakbay ang
reason
tulay?
may reason behind yan. Kasi,
Sandali, Alex, sorry to cut you off ha. Ikaw yung tulay na lumakbay
na supposed to be,
sa
ako
isang
ang magiging
tulay.
tulay sa kanila.
Ayun, ikaw pala sana. So, anong nangyari?
Kapag yung taong yon nakalaan sa'yo, nakalaan talaga yun sa'yo. Sabi nga nila, against all odds nga may mga odds na darating, pero kung siya talagang nakatadhana sa'yo, so, mangyayari at mangyayari ang hindi mo na-expect.
Oo. So, what made you continue?
Pursuing your husband.
Actually, naniwala lang talaga ako sa dikta ng puso ko noon.
Wow.
Oo.
Grabe.
Pero ginawa ko naman yung tamang paraan.
Ang init.
Hindi yung mali. Yung kahit sinasabi nila na hindi kami magkakataluyan, maraming nahahadlang sa amin dahil hindi talaga kami yung dapat para sa isa't isa. Pero yung araw na yon, gumawa ako ng hakbang. Ang ginawa ko before ako mag-accept or i-pursue yung love ko sa naging husband ko ngayon, inamin ko muna yun sa kabila. Okay, inamin ko muna
sa
sa kanya
kaibigan
na.
mo?
Oo. kinonfirm ko muna. Sabi ko sa kanya, may pagtingin ka ba sa kanya? So, or ano bang status nyo? So, hindi ko muna inamin yung aking damdamin.
Wow.
Okay? So,
Safe.
safe muna
Yun yung
ako.
sinabi mo kanina na dinaan mo naman sa tamang paraan.
Oo. So,
Yes, tama.
nag-confirm muna ako. Sabi ko, may nararamdaman ka ba? Ano bang status nyo? Nung araw na sinabi niya na wala akong nararamdaman, kaibigan lang. Oh, in-expect ng iba na sila yung magkakatuluyan kasi sila yung palaging magkasama. At accidentally lang yung pagkikita namin. Pero nag-confirm talaga ako. Sabi ko, anong status niyo? Sabi niya, wala, kaibigan lang talaga kami. Pero may hinihintay ako na aaminin niyo. Sabi niya sa akin. Oo, may aaminin ako sa iyo. So since na wala kayong status, sabi ko noon, wala kayong status, aaminin ko na lang na may nararamdaman din ako noon nang naghingi sa ng pahintulot na ligawan ako.
Sandali,
Nagkaroon
Alex.
nagkaroon din ako ng pagtibok sa puso ko nang mag-amin siya na may gusto sa akin. Pero hindi ko muna yon pinahintulutan kasi meron nasa niya kami tinatawag na love triangle, di ba?
Okay, so Alex, bale, yung husband mo ngayon, he felt that meron kayong feelings, dalawa kayo.
Oo.
So meron kayong feelings sa kanya.
So, ibig sabihin ba nito, parang namamangka siya sa dalawang ilog during that time that he is courting the other girl at the same time, parang, o biglang na-develop lang yung feelings niya sa'yo?
No, hindi siya namamangka kasi during that time, best friend lang. Yung
Best
turing.
friends kayo.
Best friend sila, best friend din kami.
Okay.
Parang
And
ganun.
hindi siya nanligaw
Hindi
kahit
siya nanligaw.
kanino sa inyong dalawa.
Oo. Ako lang yung una niyang niligawan.
Okay.
Pero, ine-expect ng ibang tao na silang dalawa ay nagsasama palagi na sila na. Expectation ng iba.
Yun
Pero, yung totoo,
Mhm.
friend lang sila at friend ko rin yung friend niya. Kumbaga
Okay.
ganun.
So, yun yung against all odds dyan.
Oo.
Mhm.
Yeah, may mga times ba na meron kang pagdududa somehow to yourself? Like, kailangan ko bang magsabi ng yes? Should I fight for this? Or baka there will be some problem o anong sabihin ng ibang tao?
Yes, oo, meron. Kasi, mas inuuna ko yung sasabihin ng tao during that time kasi mas naging aware ako. So, that is why nga before ko nag-say yes sa kanyang pangliligaw, nag-confirm muna ako sa
So,
friend namin.
Ano yung reaction ng best friend niya?
Wala, lang.
Meron siyang feeling sa guy?
May
sa husband
feeling
mo?
siya sa amin na meron kaming feeling sa isa't isa. Observant din pala siya.
Mm.
Actually, napakabait na klaseng
Siya,
friend
wala
namin.
siyang feeling
Oo,
sa
wala
husband
siyang wala siyang feeling sa guy kasi friend lang talaga.
Aha.
Friend lang talaga.
So,
Okay.
ikaw yung
So, akala
nagpagusto.
nila love triangle, pero hindi naman totoo 'yun.
Okay,
Oo.
so naging clear ang lahat. And I know, Miss Alex, na nakaka-relate yung most of our ka-jinglers today, especially the young people, kasi nga, true to life talaga to. It's really happening on most love stories. And wow, it's really so great na, you've surpassed this love story, diba? Against all odds. Anong masasabi mo, Belle?
Yes, tama yan, Wins. Kahit against all odds, Alex, merong love na nag-grow kasi. Na-develop yung feelings kasi they're always together, they started as best friends, and you're so brave, Alex, also to admit that you liked him. And what was his reaction?
Ano reaction niya yung pag sinabi mo na, hey, gusto kita, I love you too.
But what did you say? What did you say?
Ang arte.
How did you tell him that you loved him? Nagkatinginan kayo or did he ask you? Paano mo inamin?
Nag-yes lang ko. Sabi niya,
He asked you?
Oo, he asked me nga, so tayo na. Sabi ko,
Mm.
sabi ko, oo. So, yun, ngumiti siya na ngiti na parang
Ngiting panalo.
ngiti man.
Meeting winner.
Yes, oo. So, during that time, hindi man ganun ka-romantic talaga yung moments. Yun lang.
Bakit hindi romantic? Kasi nga nagsabi sa'yo, how do you say na hindi romantic, di ba? Parang wow.
Oo.
Dream come true. Dream boy ko to.
Oo.
Yes. Others think na inagaw mo siya sa kaibigan mo. Ganyan. Did you hear something like that?
Yes, oo. At doon nangyari yung another ad sa amin. So, nagtampo ako. So, nag-distance muna kami during that time.
Dahil sa sinabi ng
sa
ibang
sinabi
tao.
ng ibang
So,
tao.
affected ka doon.
So,
External challenges yun.
Oo, another
diba?
ads yun sa amin. So, nag-distance kami sa isa't isa at na-notice yun ng lahat.
But then, despite some people or some of your friends said negative things, you were really consistent, no? Grabe, hindi kayo natinag.
Actually, natinag din kami. Pero at the end of the day, nagkabalikan din kami. So, because nakita nila yung 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 perseverance namin na naging totoo lang kaming dalawa sa sarili namin na may nararamdaman ako, may nararamdaman din siya. Through distance, nakita nila kung paano kami nalungkot na dalawa. So, sila yung mismo yung gumawa ng paraan para magkabalikan kami.
Yun yung turning point ng kanilang relasyon. Right? Ng kanilang love story.
Yes, Win. So, not everyone will understand your dream, your decision, and that's okay.
Yes, usually like you start to get scared and you don't have the confidence anymore. Especially nga nakaka-stress naman talaga pag people talk about you.
Yes, tama, Wins. Pero ano yung good thing about them? Naging consistent talaga sila.
Exactly. Yun yung naging motivation nilang dalawa.
Tama.
Right? Hands up kami doon.
Yes.
Kay Miss Alex and to her husband. Like you did a great job. Hindi siya naging smooth sailing, but then eto na to.
Yes.
You have two beautiful children and happily married, di ba?
Yes.
So ano yung lesson na gusto mong i-share sa ating mga ka-jinglers or listening right now?
Sa mga in love natin dyan, ng mga listeners.
Pag nagmahal yung isang tao, pag alam mong tama ang iyong ginagawa at tama rin ang pamamaraan mo, ipursige mo yun. Yung hindi ka yung honest ka lang sa sarili mo at honest ka rin sa partner mo.
No regret, no surrender. Wins.
Push lang. Pursue mo yan.
Tama.
Yes.
Alright, so anyway, for our quick reflection about our topic today, so one word to describe your journey, Miss Alex? Growth.
Yes, wow, napakalalim niyan. Growth.
How about the biggest lesson that you've learned sa iyong love story?
Failure is feedback, not identity.
And if you could talk to your past self, what would you tell yourself?
I say, you're stronger than you think.
Wow, ang bigat nun.
Yes.
Yeah, we must always say that. I think that would give really a very positive impact sa araw-araw nating buhay kapag sinasabi na natin, hey, you're better than you think. Nasurpass mo nga yung iba. How much more ito, di ba?
Yes, tama.
You've gone a long way.
Mm-hmm. And for her story, Against All Odds isn't about being fearless.
Yes, Beldy, it's about moving forward even though the fear is present. Katulad nga ng sa kanila, yung mga chismis at sasabihin ng ibang tao.
And the biggest odds are just stories we tell ourselves, Alex. Tama?
Yes.
So to everyone listening right now, if life feels impossible right now, you're not alone.
And your story is still being written.
Okay. Galing yan sa ating guest today, Beldy. Okay, ang sabi nga niya, your story is still written. So, you have to be patient, mga ka-jinglers. You have to be positive. Talagang, you will go there.
Yes.
Okay.
And thank you so much, Alex, for sharing your beautiful journey.
Thank you for giving me the space to share.
Yeah, we hope this episode reminds you that odds doesn't define your ending.
And mga jinglers, kung gusto nyong magpa-shoutout, just comment on our FB page or YouTube channel.
And this episode actually goes out to, yung shout out natin for this episode, sa mga Ron's Marching Band, particularly sa kanilang conductor na si Mr.
Shout out to Sir Benedict Vocales.
Yes, thank you so much, sir, for listening. And of course,
To our supporters.
to our supporters, to Miss Alex for being here today.
Yes, and the Friday girls, thank you so much.
Thank you so much to our supportive friends.
Yes, and to Miss Feby.
Yes, laging nasa comment, laging nag-like. Oh, and also to add pala, si Mr. Renzo,
Yes, and Jorox.
Jorox,
And
and
Josie.
And of course, I'd like to shout out to my best friend, Megs Pardinal Cunanan.
Ay,
Hello,
shout out. And of course, we would like to shout out.
To Miss Caspe.
Yes, to Miss Caspe. Shout out to Aster. Shout out to Julie Haro.
Thank you so much, guys, for those reactions, yung mga thumbs up and heart signs ninyo palagi sa Facebook page namin. And of course, sa mga very deep din na mga comments nila sa YouTube
We
natin.
really
right?
appreciate you.
Thank you so
all.
much. All right. Anyway, mga ka-jinglers, if you enjoyed this episode, remember, don't forget to follow and subscribe, and you can catch us always on Instagram, Facebook Reels, and of course on Spotify. Just search for our podcast and be part of the Jinglers community. Until next time.
Thank you once again. See you next time. Bye. Thank you, Miss Alex.